Hi, this is James from iGlobe, and I am going to show you how to use iGlobe CRM, a Microsoft 365 app. Before doing this, make sure that the app is deployed and secured on your Microsoft 365 by a global Microsoft 365 administrator. A quick note on security and compliance. iGlobe CRM is a Microsoft certified app and is therefore safe to deploy on your Microsoft 365. Feel free to contact us if you want to learn more about the Microsoft 365 App Compliance Program. iGlobe CRM runs on all devices connected to a Microsoft 365 account. In this user guide, we will use the browser version of your Microsoft 365, but everything works the same on all other platforms, as well as on your desktop client. Are you ready? Let's get started. In this video, we're going to have a look at different ways on how you can view your data. iGlobe CRM allows you to view the information in different ways. You can view it in tiles, lists, or view your favorite folder. Let's have a look at how it works. First, open your Admin Center. Then you need to select Configuration and click on Module Default View. Here you can select your desired module, which is either the Contact, Company, or Pipeline, and choose how you want to view it. Moreover, you can select the number of entries that you want to see. Once you are done with your selection, click on Save and you are ready to go. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out the other parts of the user guide. If you need further help, don't hesitate to contact us. Find more useful links in the description below, and I will see you in other iGlobe videos. Bye!